Hi friends, I'm Tilak. You're watching Tech May Be Unique, and today we're going to see how to use the uppercase text formula on your Google Sheet on your computer. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So how to use your uppercase text formula on your Google Sheet on your computer, just going to show in this video. So first of all, you just need to enter the formula to change the normal text to the uppercase text. So that's actually you just need to press equal symbol, then you just need to press as, just type as upper here, and you can find this pop-up here, convert the visible strings to the uppercase. Click on this. Now you just need to select the range and just click on the enter. So you can see you have this option called autofill suggested, or click this so that all the text here will be changed to the capital letter or uppercase text. This is how you just change any text to the uppercase text on your Google Sheets on your computer. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet our next video with the super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech May Be Unique. Have a wonderful and also a beautiful day.